Saturday Global News Service. The place that you need to be in Brooklyn, as a matter of fact in Manhattan, is Utica. Utica and Church Avenue. This is the place that you need to be. There is no place like Utica and Church Avenue right now in Brooklyn, New York. You want to start a business, Utica and Church Avenue. This is the Music Man passing through the Saturday evening here in New York City, and we're live on Church Avenue in Utica, the crossroad of the world. There are no business right now that's surviving in Brooklyn if you're not in Church and Utica. So come through, start a business, man. Come and see what we have right here. Church and Utica. Church and Utica is the place that you need to be. Church and Utica. Church and Utica in Brooklyn, New York is the place that you need to be. This is the Music Man giving you a feel of Utica and Church Avenue in Brooklyn. This is no place for you to come out here and start your business. Church and Utica. What a beautiful evening here in Church and Utica. Get the feel around the world. This is Church and Utica. You go to Flatbush, go downtown, go to Kings Plaza, there's no way. Go to Manhattan. Church and Utica is the place that you need to be. You want to start a business, you need to come in Church and Utica. The Music Man passing through right here on a beautiful Saturday evening right here in Utica Avenue and Church Avenue. This is the crossroad of the world. This is the crossroad of the world. The crossroad of the world is Church and Utica. I've been doing business here for many years, and a lot of business go out of business. But Church and Utica is the place that you need to be if you want to start a business. If you have a product and you basically want to advertise your product, you have to come to Church and Utica. You have flyers that you want to hand out and you want to reach thousands of people daily, you have to come to Church and Utica. This is the Wall Streets of Brooklyn. This is the Wall Streets of Brooklyn. There is no place in Brooklyn like Church and Utica. Somebody told me when you look at Church and Utica, you cannot remind them of Kingston, Jamaica. Cannot remind them of St. George's. Cannot remind them of Trinidad and Tobago. Everything that you need right here is in Church and Utica. You want coconut, Church and Utica. You want clothes, Church and Utica. You want to shop, Church and Utica. You want to get a word of God is on Church and Utica. Everything that you want, Church and Utica is a crossroad of the world right now. LD, the Global News Service. My name is Godfrey Johnson, giving you a walk around of Brooklyn, New York. What it's like. We are open after the pandemic. We've been locked down, but we up and running. Church and Utica is a place that you need to be. A Saturday evening is a beautiful Saturday evening, and you look and see what is happening right now here in Church and Utica. Look at it. Look at it.
God have mercy. Have mercy. In the east, in the west, in the north, in the south. Have mercy is our God. Have mercy. Even
I'm signing out. Stay tuned. We're going to give you a little more walk by different places in Brooklyn, New York. LD, the Global News Service.